want to tell you a fairy tale. It's about Cinderella. But the first thing I have to tell you that I don't care you understand or not about what a fairy tale is. And the second one, just enjoy it. Keep your eyes open, please. Okay, we start it. It's 7 a.m. and Cinderella's family has just woken up. They are in the sitting room.
Morning, Mom!
Morning, darling!
Where's my breakfast, Mom? I feel hungry.
Oh, dear sister! You feel hungry all the time. Anyway, have you heard about the big party? The king, one shirt spring carving one.
Our service?
Really?
Yes. Mom, can we go there?
Of course, darling. We're going to the ball. My daughter are the most beautiful girls in the land. I hope it takes me to be
No.
a princess.
I hope he picks me.
Cinderella hears to them. She wants to go there too. So she asks that to her stepmother. Do you know what her stepmother answers to her?
Of course, you may go, Cinderella, if you finish our course. If you have your sister get ready. If you can find some decent clothes to wear instead of those rags.
Yes, Mom.
Go away.
Then she continues her course because she wants to come to the ball. Then her stepmother and her stepsisters keep talking.
Beautiful dear. Don't be silly. The prince is known for leading older women like me.
Are you sure? I think I'm not about it. A young prince put an attention to woman that has two daughters. Yeah. Next, Cinderella's evil stepmother and ugly stepsisters are getting dressed for the ball.
Be careful, Cinderella. Don't spoil my dress with your dirty hands. Oh, Mom, be quick. Okay, let's go. Bye, Cinderella. Don't forget to leave the kitchen.
After her stepmother and stepsisters go, Cinderella picks up the broom but begins crying to herself. Yeah, you know that. When you wish something but you can't get it, how sad you are. You just have to be patient and hope there's a little miracle. Oh no, it shouldn't have happened. How can it happen? Is it a little miracle? I can imagine that, and moreover, there's no action like that in the script. She should have been a beautiful woman with a nice dress, charming face, and a pair of glass slippers. Okay, forget that. Maybe she just got a little miracle. Let's rewatch the next scene. At the ball, everyone begins dancing and having a good time, except Cinderella. She has no decent dress for the ball, and the hug fairy godmother can help her. So she steals a pair of slippers from someone and wears that to the ball. Of course, we won't show you how she did it. We won't teach you an evil. And then, the ball is over after Cinderella appears.
Who's that girl?
Wow, the queen said that? Yes, Maybe she thought how a woman that dressed like that could come into a very ordinary ball like that. And of course, Cinderella is ashamed, but the prince is falling in love to her. Huh? What? Really? That's written in the script in the third scene exactly. So, if you can agree that, you may pretend it never happened before. Okay. Next, they dance together. But when they dance, suddenly,
Oh, it's not already. Bye.
Wait! What is your name?
while Cinderella runs, she loses one of her slippers. Can you see how foolish she is? She stole the slippers and she left one of them in the ball. Alright, up to her. The next day, Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister are talking. Cinderella is sleeping in the floor near to them.
Mom, you! A beautiful lady at the ball. And we really didn't know about her. Can you believe it? By the way, where is my sister? Quiet! The kids Miss India are here. Okay.
Then, two heralds enter the room.
Excuse me, my lady. We are sent by the prince to look for dishonor of the city. This trial is just
Hey, boleh nak? Oh, it's too big!
you.
Me! My mother! You crazy?
It's you.
Oh my god! That's impossible! Oh my god, Dad. Unbelievable! What?
Please come with us.
Cinderella then marries the prince and lives in the castle with him. They live happily ever after. So, that is the end.